Hair gurus and new, she slaying the city. No makeup, just wake up and still giving them pretty. Hit the lights, camera, action, cause it's big as a movie. And grab a seat and now tune with Disastrous Beauty.
Yeah, yeah. I'm sorry for what I have put you through. I still have you on my mind, my mind. My focus been drifting away from you. Just wasn't our time, our time. You can say what you want, but I know you hurt at night. But I tried and I tried and I tried to hold you tight. So I'm here tonight, and I'm giving us one last chance, cause I don't wanna lose what we had. Cause I'm not feeling right, and I'm tired of this loneliness. Let me prove it, cause I swear I will. Love you better, yeah, yeah. Love you better, oh, love you better, love you better. Lately I've been feeling some type of way. I'm losing my mind, my mind. I know saying sorry might not be enough. Just tell me how I can make things right, things right. You can say what you want, but I know you hurt at night. But I tried and I tried and I tried to hold you tight. So I'm here tonight, and I'm giving us one last chance, cause I don't wanna lose what we had. I'm not feeling right, and I'm tired of this loneliness. Let me prove it, cause I swear I will. Love you better, yeah, yeah. Love you better.
Alright y'all, so the unit that I am rocking was copped by me with my own coins, and as you guys know, when I cop a unit with my own coins, I like to give you guys a subscriber shout out. So today's subscriber shout out is gonna go to my girl Chantrell Alex. I really do appreciate you, boo. I hope I'm saying your name right. So I wanted to give that subscriber shout out to you. Once again, I do appreciate you. If you guys are interested in getting a subscriber shout out, just comment down below, show your love, and I would definitely do that in any video that is not a sponsored video. So shout out to you once again, boo. I truly do appreciate it. Okay, so another thing I want to do, this is not typical for my particular videos. I just kind of want to throw it out there. I do have a friend, somebody that does support me, and he is launching his camping blankets, and I want to just show him some love and throw it out there so you guys could know. I know that this is a wig channel, like, honey, I get it, girl, I get it, but who knows, some of you guys may be into camping. So anyways, he has camping blankets, and his site is Camp Planet, and you can purchase his blankets on Amazon.com. Child, you know your girl loves Amazon. Okay, I'm an Amazon stan, honey. Okay, and I will have a direct link to it down below. I'm just kind of going to be showing you guys what his site looks like somewhere on the screen so you guys can know. And if you are into camping, I would definitely recommend you guys check out his site and check out his blanket. The prices do depend on what size blanket you get, but just check it out if you are getting into camping. And I will have all of that listed down below as well. Now we can finally get into this wig. Okay, y'all, so I'm obviously finished styling this wig, and this is what I got. If you're interested in the details, the specs, and all the good stuff about this unit, then please continue to watch. All right, y'all, so the unit that I am rocking was caught by me with my own points, okay? You guys know when it's it's a unit that I buy with my own coins. I like to give myself a little shout out. So go Prissy, go Prissy, go Prissy. Okay, shout out to me for copping this unit with my own coins. So the unit that I am rocking, I did purchase from Shein. And I decided to get this wig because I kept seeing a lot of videos where people were talking about, child, I got my unit from Shein. I got my unit from Shein. And I'm like, what unit you got from Shein? I was like, what unit you got from Shein? Because you know I love me some Shein, okay? My nails that I even got on right now are from Shein. So I decided to buy a unit from Shein with my own coins. Okay, I want to stress that. Okay, so the unit that I decided to get is their 4x4 lace front 150% short curly human hair wig. And in the description it says, color is a multicolor. You can see that. It's a full wig with a 4x4 lace. It's a curly short hair, Brazilian hair. It's 4x4, it's 150% density, and it is human hair. Okay, so I decided to get the shortest length possible, which was 10 inches. You guys know, if you watch me, that I definitely prefer 10-inch units over any other units because I feel like 10 inches is just good for me. Now, when it comes to curly wigs, I will wear them longer, but I did decide to get 10 inches because I want to make sure that this unit would be under $100. Okay, so that is personally why I decided to get the 10-inch unit, because it just depends on what length you get. I think they have 10, 12, and 14. Yes, they do have this unit in 10, 12, and 14, so it just kind of depends on you. But if you want to keep something under $100, then it looks like if you get it in 10 inches, it's $89. If you get it in 12 inches, it's going to be $97. And I'm assuming that 14 inches is going to be even more expensive. So it's going to be more than $100 whenever you check out, okay? Because you got to add in taxing and shipping and all that good stuff. So I wanted to make sure that I kept this particular unit under $100. So this is something different for me. And if you guys are interested in me reviewing these type of wigs, make sure you let me know down below in the comments. And I will start doing these sort of videos. Let me know which ones you want me to do, which ones you recommend. Just let me know down below in the comments. Now, as far as shedding and tangling, honestly, I have not experienced either with this wig straight out of the packaging. That's not to say, oh, girl won't do any other things, but straight out of the packaging, she has not. I also want to mention that, in my opinion, this unit is very big head friendly. I did have to adjust the straps, but you guys know, if you watch me, that I am an average cap size. So do with that what you want to do with that, girl, okay? Do with that what you want to do with that. I am an average cap size. Now, as far as the lace, I felt like the lace was pretty transparent. Like, you guys let me know what you guys think. I felt like the lace was pretty transparent because with brown lace, it's a struggle for me. Now, I did have to bleach the knots on this unit, so be wary of that if you're uncomfortable with bleaching knots. But I do want you guys to know that I did have to bleach the knots. And I did tweeze it a little bit, not excessively because that's not my forte, but I did tweeze it a little bit. So I want you guys to know all of those specs and stuff with this particular unit. And yeah, that is pretty much it as far as details and specs go. Now, if you're interested in my pros and cons as well as a full 360, then please continue to watch. Alright, y'all, so my con with this wig would be the fact that I feel like it could have been tweezed a little more, okay? Like, I just had to kind of throw something out there, and I would say that would be my only con that I can think of right off the bat, is that I wish it would have been tweezed a little more. It is a 4x4 closure, so I can't even fuss at the parting space because I feel like that's good. So I'm gonna just say, I personally wish this unit had been tweezed a little more. Okay, so my pros with this wig is the fact that it came pre-colored, the fact that it is definitely a curly sort of unit. I love that for me. I love that it came tweezed a little bit, even though it didn't come tweezed to my liking. I do like that it did come tweezed a little bit. I love the parting space of this wig, and I love how easy it was to bleach the knots. And of course, I love that this human hair bob, pixie, or whatever you want to call it, it's under $100, girl, okay? So I love that for me, okay? Those are my pros. Would I recommend this unit? Honestly, y'all, yes, okay? In my opinion, I think it is a really nice unit for the price. And for the shipping and all of that, like in my opinion, it is. I honestly would like to get this unit in maybe 14 inches because I feel like it's a really nice unit for the pricing. Honey, you can't beat that with a stick. So yes, in my opinion, I would recommend this unit. All right, y'all, let me give you guys this full 360 so we can wrap this thing all the way. So this is obviously the unit in the front. This is it on the left side. This is it in the back. And this is it on the right side. So yeah, y'all, let me know down below what you guys think. Let me know if you ever purchased a human hair wig, because honey, we ain't gonna get into they syntheticals. Don't get their syntheticals, honey. Don't do it. Don't do it to yourself. Let me know if you've ever done that. I would love to hear your thoughts and opinions down below. If you are interested in purchasing this unit, I will have a direct link to it down below in the description box for your convenience. And yeah, girl, that's all.
That's all.
So, if you like this video, give me a thumbs up. If you have any questions, feel like I may have left out, feel free to comment down below. And if you're not already subscribed, girl, click that subscribe button. It's not one red cent. And if you're not ready to follow me on all my social media platforms, I am DizastrousBeauty on both IG and TikTok. I'm Helton Miss C on Snapchat, and I'm DizastrousB on Twitter. And I will see you love bugs next time. Bye.
I'm sorry.